So that's a nice question, Parimala. Initially, when the lockdown happened, all of us didn't know how to adjust. Suddenly, on this March, they say the country is under lockdown. We were all in for a huge shock. I think being with your child is very important. Emotional support 24/7, and for the child to think you're there with them. I think that is the most important thing you can do for your child, to give them that confidence. Come what may, if you're doing a mistake or not, if you're here, if you're far away, you being with your child, the confidence that you are there for your child is the most important gift you can give your child. Because when you're there,
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಪರಿಮಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಅರ್ಜುನಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು NGO ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗುನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಸುಮಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ನೂರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಹರ್. ಪೇರೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬೆಳೆಸೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಇಂದು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಇಂದು ಅವರೇ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪರಿಮಳ ಅವರೇ. ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಸೀ ಯು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. Thank you for having me.
Welcome, and all thanks to Arjun coming to Gaia. I happen to meet you. Life ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂಥರ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Absolutely.
And you have almost around 15 years of experience in preschooling. Imagine having one kid at home, one grandkid at home. We are losing it, especially from COVID. How is it handling toddlers? How is the challenges what you face in preschool, Indu?
Let me put it this way. It's been a wonderful journey for me so far, and I've enjoyed being with children. You know, the moment you understand their psychology, our psychology namage gottagirbeku. I don't think it's going to be an issue at all. I don't think the challenges were with children at any point, Parimala.
Okay.
The challenges were more with the parents, you know. Understanding the parents, our understanding madadmele, only then you will be able to understand the child more. Sometimes it's the reverse process, but I think managing 100 children is the most easiest task than managing one adult, I would say.
This is such a unique perspective. I think ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್? 100 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಬ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಂದು, 15 years and in preschool all that. So ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, what are the major changes you see in the
children? Are the same, Parimala. Makkal ange hegidaro ange idare across culture, across countries, ella kade. But I see a lot of shift in parents' attitude. I mean, life has changed. If you see down the generations, our demand bere. I mean, they have their work demands in there. They have to go work, both the parents work. Then it takes a toll on the child's upbringing also. The child is either with the grandparent. If they're lucky, grandparents idare. If they're not lucky, then they have to take some other help, you know.
Yes, ತಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ತಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಂದು ಅವರೇ?
ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬರೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ we see the intelligence levels. Actually, IQ levels tumba jaasti aitu makkaldu. You know, you can see the shift in the IQ levels. And ಇವಾಗ travel, you can travel anywhere. 15 years before, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು traveling ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. I mean, there were some kind of restrictions, and economically people might have not been able to travel. ಈಗ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You just book a ticket and you can just travel anywhere around the world. And of course, technology shrink ಆಯ್ತು. You go to YouTube, ಎಲ್ಲ information ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So the children are super intelligent, Parimala. Sometimes we are taken aback. There are some facts we don't know. They come up with so many things.
Wow.
And their absorbing capacity is much, much more. I can definitely say there is a shift in the IQ level. Having said that, I don't know if the emotional quotient is matching with the IQ level. What I find is there is a definite shift over there. And it is demanding for schools to actually cope up, because we have to keep ourselves, ashtondu idalli we have to keep ourselves, prepared to have questions answered. Sometimes our ondu maat keltare, we may not know, but it's okay to tell, I don't know this, I can always come back and tell you. I mean, ashtondu honesty irbeku. I think then the relationship is there, and bonding irutte. They think you're one of them, and our bonding is always established. It becomes easier.
Very true. And idu life experience alli nanagagiruanta anubhava compared to my elder son. He is around 33. Avun ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ time alli, if we take the same age group, like 5 years, ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಇರೋ ವಯಸ್ಸು, ಅವನು 5 years ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಎತಿ ವಾಸ್ ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ my second son was a little more into technology and pretty more smarter. But ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಕೇಳೋಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, it is unimaginable. Like this Sunday he suddenly comes up and he says, yeah Pati, I just want to know what happens to the soul. I was like, what?
Exactly.
And
yes,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ let us say they come up with something like this, they talk about life or death. How do we handle it, Indu? Should we
this is a very tricky thing for us to, they like to talk about death a lot. Adeno gottilla. For them, anything, if they see any ant or anything lying like that, so that ant is dead. The first thing will be to death, because they don't have the capacity to understand death. Namge illa. Sometimes even for us to understand, soul and death, these things are a little beyond us. I mean, life is little different over there. For them, it is very difficult to come to terms with the fact, somebody is there in your life, they are not there. So that the questions will be why they are not there, what happens after that. That their mind is curious. Makkaldu mind always curious. So they would like to know. So it will be appropriate for us to actually tell them, this is how this happens. After death, your heart stops. Medically explaining anything medically in one way, they're able to understand it scientifically. On the scientific knowledge kododu olledu. So they don't get into any kind of what do you call that? You might have some people telling this happens, that happens. Avaru naale bartare. Don't give them false hopes. Death is a certain thing, and I think it's good for children to know. Okay, this is something very, very certain in life, and they will be prepared also for it. In terms of somebody going away, they'll be able to absorb it. But what happens after death is pretty tricky. We can always say the soul lives forever. Like, we always have been told by our parents, and we still believe that. So adondu ray of hope kodutte avarige. So they know that person is not there, ella they are there in a form of a soul, in some way or the other. I think that kind of gives them a little confidence also. Nothing is lost. There is always hope.
Yeah, it is a pretty tricky, especially when children ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. And on a lighter vein, ಇಂದು ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ಸಣ್ಣೋಳಿರುವಾಗ, that's almost like, let's say 45 years back, 46 years back, ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ಸೋರು ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡೋರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಆದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೌ ನಾವ್ ಬೆಳೆದ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರಲ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೈಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬೈಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಮಗು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರಲ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ?
ಅದು culture of the school, I would say. One school adopts certain culture. So when we thought about this, we were very sure punishment is not a solution. If you look at it, Parimala, you punish a person and that is over. I mean, you regret that moment. Do they reform out of it? Does the change happen? Adu nodbeku. That is not sure a change. Emotionally ಏನೇನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. Sometimes it does inflict a very deep wound our mind. So the best way to go about would be to reason out. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, everybody makes mistakes, nobody is perfect out here. So ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, so just call them aside. So generally what we do is slowly call them in a very friendly. They know ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, immediately they run. ಅದು human psychology. ಅದು the moment you make mistakes, the first attempt would be not have an eye contact and to go away from them. So we call them gently in a very friendly manner so that our suttirovaru, we should be careful of their the way they are going to react also. It's not a child alone. Our friends jotege irtare. Our tappu tilskobeda alla, because he's not committed a crime or anything. Some small thing which can be corrected always. So we generally don't do that and take them aside politely and say, I want to have a nice conversation. Can you come? A leave nodbeku ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ, ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. They have to get the confidence. ಆಮೇಲೆ slowly ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, what did you do? Did you hit that boy? Did you hurt him? Then the first reaction ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. First reaction would be defend. So again you'll have to talk into it. Then you should say, I think I saw you doing it. Do you think that's a right thing to do? Questions, put it back to them. So immediately they'll start thinking and they will start repenting. No. Then the next question will be, how do you think you would feel if somebody hits you? So our positionally our heart beko. So when you put them in that position, they will start reasoning out. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪ, ರೈಟಾ? That power of reasoning ತುಂಬಾ important ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. So you start reasoning out. Tomorrow if you're going to go out anywhere, as and when you grow, you will start thinking, am I doing the right thing? This will be there in your system always. They will not go the wrong way as much as possible, because they have to be the better judge. Tappu right part of they have to start judging themselves. It's a big bad world. Now we're the world, innocent world, Parimala. It's not like that anymore. We'll have to leave our children everywhere, and we have to have that confidence. I remember when my son went to Netherlands, there were a lot of people asking me, how can you leave him to Amsterdam? You know what kind of place Amsterdam is. So one advice I gave to him, I told him, this is what people are talking about, but one thing I want to, tell you, if you are going to get into any kind of whatever, it's not appropriate, your life is going to get spoiled. It is up to you to take your life where you want to pull it down. That's all I told. As parents, we are always there to, welcome you, have you, if anything goes wrong also. But end of the day, you lose. So I think that message is very important to tell them also. These are the consequences. And for them to start understanding and reasoning out. So I've been doing this with both my children. We call it the power of reasoning. To an extent, it works, because immediately the effect agalla, but as and when they grow, they get into this mold of power of reasoning. They will start thinking. It's important to think. One way of handling it.
Lovely. And as you rightly pointed out, ದಾರಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವ್ರದೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದಾನೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂತ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂತ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ಆಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೇರ್ ಗಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದಾಗ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೌ ರೆಸಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪ್ರರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಮೂದರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Yeah, so that's a nice question, Parimala. Initially, when the lockdown happened, all of us didn't know how to adjust. Suddenly, on Divasa March, they say the country is under lockdown. We were all in for a huge shock. It took almost Divasa, I think, on 1 month to come out of it, because we were all at home, our routine. Suddenly, it got stopped. I think children also were affected at that point, and nobody knew what's happening. But as and when time progressed, we're getting used to it. Like I'm sitting and talking to you right now. I wouldn't have been, you wouldn't have dreamed of doing this now, would I? Ashtondu easy aitu ivaga. So we're looking at the positives. Things are happening now in a very different way, virtual way. We have no choice. But the good thing is, at least we have this medium not to discontinue the education. Parents are studying. In fact, I did a research on parents around the world, how they're coping up, and schools also. They are finding it very difficult, but the good part is they're very happy. Our makkal jothe they're getting time now, which they never ever got, and they're knowing what is happening to their education, because they've completely cut off. Otherwise, yen agate our life alli enu educationally, what is happening, they're able to understand much better. I think in a way it's good, because the bonding is much better. Though there are problems, they are kind of sorting it out themselves. Our work time, they're adjusting. They're working after 6 o'clock. Between two parents or a single parent, they're somehow managing like we've always adjusted. I think that is one good quality human beings only adapt. How to adapt.
Yeah.
Challenges are there. The screen time is a big negative thing, but there are schools which do lesson plans and send it to parents, like Gaia does a week earlier, so they can see and choose their time and do it. So that works well for some parents. There are schools which stream online. Avaru idalli makkal jothe irbeku. So that is, for preschools it's hardly 1 hour or 2 hours. But I think that routine is also helping everybody. Onthara routine set aitu. That's what I found when I spoke to a lot of people around, not only here, around the world.
Yeah. Along with, as you said, point out madidri, manushrudu most brilliant way nav yake ishtu ವರ್ಷಗಳು, ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಬದುಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಏನೇ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗೆ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅಂಡ್ ತಾವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒಬಿಸಿಟಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಒಬಿಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ದ ಏಜ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿತ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಒಂಥರ, ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾದ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್ ನ, how can we try to inculcate that small eating habit in children?
Very difficult. You and I also get always tempted, alva. Temptation ide irutte manushyavaga. But I would say we have to set an example as parents too. In you're going to cook your meals, buy the fresh vegetables, involve them. Avaru involve madodu olledu. On market hoguvaga take them along. Just they can pick the vegetables. they can help you in cooking. They love doing things. Makkalge ashtondu preeti ide. If you involve them, they will do anything you want. So in a way, when you are probably making a dish, you can ask them ideas, and you can tell them about the you're the best person to talk about nutrition. In fact, who else? So we can tell them, okay, if you eat this dal, this is good. So, like I'm telling, scientifically you can explain it, understand.
Correct.
And if you involve them in the process, they will take it. Oh, naan madiru the dish. They will eat it.
Correct.
Definitely. And it's good to learn cooking also. It's not a bad thing at all. So one way of doing this, inculcating this healthy eating habits, is involving them completely and giving them the knowledge why, food cooked at home, or what are the healthy eating habits, idella inculcate madodu. It's up to us. Once in a while it's okay to binge eat.
Yeah,
that's fine.
That's okay. I know you're a kid once. And ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂದು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಕಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಫೈಬರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗುರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಕೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ನ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ತಟ್ಟೆಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಲ್ ಸೇ ಓಕೆ ನಿಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ನೋಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು, ನನ್ನ ತಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಾರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೈಬರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಅರ್ಧ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಪ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ನಾನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್.
And you will not have work to do. Will be done by them. It's good bonding also.
Yes, you get to understand so much about them, alva. Along with usually ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಪ್ಪು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವ್ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಈ ಯಾವ ಫಿಲಾಸಫರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ತಾವು ಏನ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇದ್ದು?
I think everything I've learned is mostly from children ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಪರಿಮಳ. Because the first thing, when I entered preschool, we have a mindset iratella, okay, this child will be like this, makkal ingirtare. It broke that, when I saw they were all individuals and they are small human beings who are developing namtara. It changed my whole mindset. They are all individuals with optimum amount of intelligence, and you can give it to any extent. I mean, for example, when I did a painting session, so I used to conduct painting programs. I had this particular child, bare black ali paint ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. He will not use any color. On sky, even when he wants, a shade black ali irutte. So I tried to change him, which was very wrong. These were the initial days. Then he told, no, I like the color black, ನಾನು ಅದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So I told, okay, I should allow him to do what he wants. I should not put my opinion on it. That's wrong, Alva. So I allowed, and that child throughout has been painting only in black. Now he's grown up, and the father came and told me he creates masterpieces, but I won't choose the color only black. I gave him that freedom of expression to do everything black. Had I stopped and told you do it in blue or red or whatever, probably the child would have accepted and gone into that thing. But I think that was a huge lesson for me. You have to, let the children do what they want, because they are also original. They're very scientific in their thought process also. And you can give any kind of knowledge to a child, Parimala, they accept it. Like we did a program about artificial intelligence, robotics. You can take it to that level for a preschooler.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ robotics?
robotics, I'm talking about artificial intelligence.
Okay.
We had some parents who sweetly came and did it for us. So end of the project, we wanted to know what they understood. We asked them, what is artificial intelligence? What a robot does. Can a robot think? Main idea was that our thinking capacity. We wanted for them to know whether they can understand what they think like that. Because and they saw a real robot also. So end of the day, they came, and after the project was completed, they saw the robot cannot think. We make the robots think.
Wow.
Robots now the intelligence, which is fantastic. Simple answer, Allah. You and I cannot think.
Artificial intelligence.
Absolutely. So this is like, they give us those goosebumps and shockers sometimes, and this is real learning. And sometimes there are children who know so much about dinosaurs. They know so much about anything that are what we know. So it's best to learn from them and tell them, oh, I didn't know about this. Can you tell me more about this? They give you lectures, and it's always good to be a learner in front of anybody for that matter. You can learn from me, I can learn from you. If you go with that kind of mindset, I think it's a continuous process. We enjoy life.
Amazing. What you're telling is so true. Yava manusha ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು learning ಅನ್ನೋದು. Let it be elder, younger, let it be a pet. You learn from everything around you. And a secret to life and happiness, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ತರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
Yes. I completely agree with you. Never lose the child in you. One of the reasons why I chose to be with in a preschool initially was to have that energy of children in you. And I think that's a different level of the energy. It comes into your whole system energy. And as you rightly told, amagu tarane irbeku yavaglu. Have to be like a child. Curious.
What are your other passions, hobbies? I know you're very creatively inclined in the area. So along with children, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್?
So I thought I have to take a slight deviation ivaga. Otherwise my life is running out. Atara ಒಂದು ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. I have to do something more than what I wanted to do. Art was a great passion for me always, right from my child. On the paintbrush, and if you give me a paper, I will sit there for hours. And gardening and plants. I grew up in a hill station, so yavaglu greenery, amidst greenery, I love. And space designing, since I've done some courses in interiors, it always interested me. So I'm actually following my passion right away. I started painting again, though I used to do one painting a year, 2 paintings. Ivaga, I kind of full-fledged started indulging in my hobby. And basically, I'm looking at customizing painting. Suppose you want a painting, I will come to your place and completely customize it for you. Akindre bere on the painting illa, adu it's a part of your house. It's a part of you on painting, because you see it every day. People who come, they see it. It lives with you. Adukku on jeevana irutte. So we need to understand your mindset and how you want it to. For example, when I do a painting, it has a logic in it. ಅದು ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ. So there's a lot of research you can do and do that particular painting. It's just not a painting, it's a part of your soul again. And of course gardening, I'm completely into it and kind of trying to curate gardens for a couple of people who have asked to do it. And of course space designing. Idella it's all mixed together into space designing, but Parimala, I must tell you, the kind of joy I get out of it it's something else. I can't describe it, because it's a kind of meditation, I would say. You sit with a painting and you finish it. It takes sometimes even 15 days to complete one, but adondu the way you sit and focus with it, it's a complete meditation, and it gives me great happiness to do it. I'm sure you like it.
I think
what you like. They say do what you like.
any time in life when you make your work your passion, then you don't realize you're working at all. So tamma passion annodu, when we follow, there is no stopping in life, alva Indu.
Absolutely, Parimala, I agree that the joy it gives you something else, right? Because I thought at this stage of life you really have to, it's like a river, it flow agutte. Sometimes you have to take a detour, a course change madi, you'll have to find what is there. That kind of adventure is great, because tomorrow when you wake up in the morning, your life has to be full of surprises. What am I going to do today? What am I going to see? Who am I going to meet? So ee tara life iruvaga, I think you'll be a much happier person. And anytime any creative like hobby on the art or gardening gives you inner peace. It definitely gives you inner peace, because especially when you're in touch with the soil, for example, when you're watching plants grow, it's almost like bringing up a child, bringing up a plant. I've shown the patience that they it's important for everybody to
Nimma makkala nurturing in the plant nurturing life. When you started out your journey, for example, tama degree ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ, did you imagine it'll pan out like this? ನಿಮ್ದು ಗಾಯ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, any play school ಅಥವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, what did you think and how did life turn out?
Nothing was greatly planned, my life. I take the course. Sometimes if you plan too much, some things don't happen, and if it doesn't happen the way it has to, you're disappointed. I think it's just to take its course and be happy with the course of life. But it all happened to me, Parimala. I can just tell you, I'm happy with whatever has happened to me so far. Life has been good.
So nice. So happy, and thank you Indu for spending time. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದು ಯಥೇಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆದಂಗೆ, ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, explore your hobbies. End result is contentment and peace.
Happiness and peace, that's all matters, right? Nothing else can balance, or nothing else is important end of the day. Your material wealth irutte, ella irutte, your position, power ella irutte, but I always tell people, if you're not going to go to bed and just lie down on your pillow and not able to sleep, there is no meaning in it. You have to have that peace of mind to get a good night's sleep. It's very important.
Very true. Very true. And before winding up, ತಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತು ಫಾರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ಡೂ for their kids, something small, so that childhood is a precious memory. What would you like your parents to do?
I think being with your child is very important. Emotional support 24/7, and for the child to think you're there with them. I think that is the most important thing you can do for your child, to give them that confidence. Come what may, in our good melee, if you're doing a mistake or not, if you're here, if you're far away, you being with your child, the confidence that you are there for your child is the most important gift you can give your child. Because when you're there, they know, okay, there is somebody for me. That feeling is, I think, is very important to make them confident. What they will do.
That's bullseye statement, Indu avare, for the simple reason, ಒಂದು ಮಗುಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನವ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಮನೇಲಿರೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ, ಅವ್ರ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿನಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Absolutely, absolutely. From my experience, I've seen my children grow. This preschool taught me a lot of experience, helped me to bring up my daughter and my son. And even now, I at any point of time when my children need me, I am there. I drop everything out, but I am there. So they have that confidence that okay, she is there for me. The parents are there. My husband is there. They're always there. We leave everything for them. I think it's very important for them to have that confidence.
Yes, children ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಸೊ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಂದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Okay, absolutely. I think you should have happy children to have a happy country, they say. A happy world, perhaps.
Yes.
So I think it starts from home.
Thank you so much, Indu, for having come on the show. My experience share ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ.
It's a pleasure, always a pleasure when I meet you, and it's always been a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you so much, Dhanyawaad.
All the very best with your creative thing. Let all your hidden talents come out. Go with the flow. Rock on.
Thank you, Parimala. All the best to you too. Bye-bye.
God bless.
ಇಂದು ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೆರಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಇಯರ್ ಹುಟ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗಿಂತ IQ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಸಿ ಮೋರ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿನ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಅವರನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರ ತರ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ, ಅವರ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಅವರು ಕೇವಲ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅವಕಾಶ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಕೇರ್ ಗಿವರ್ಸ್ಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಹಳ ಇನ್ಸೈಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದು. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಪರಿಚಯ ಪರಿಮಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.